My name is Claudia de Pasquale, and I help multi-potential, high-achiever professionals access their hidden talents, fulfill their potentials, so that they can create an impact in the world through their careers and achieve fulfillment. Have you tried before to change something in your work situation, but nothing really substantial has transformed since then? Are you losing hope that you can find work you truly love? Are you tired of approaching your career change the same old traditional way? Because every time you've done that, you have never been much more successful in finding fulfillment? Are you ready to put in the work and time so that you can benefit from my skills and my experiences and start approaching your career change in a different way? If any of the answers to the questions are yes, then you're very welcome to join me at my workshop, 3 Keys to Embark on Your Career Transformation. April 24th at 6:30 p.m. at the Day Crunch Conference Center, Limitke 4 in Zurich. Sign up quickly, spaces are limited. Can't wait to meet you there. Bye!